Welcome back. Here we go on 12. We got an inequality, so we're going to have to do something a little bit different at the end of this one. 5 times 6 is 30. I really want to do 30x as a common denominator. So when I come to this one, five goes into 30x 6. 6 times 3, that's going to be 18. 6 goes in there, 5, this is going to be 5. 3 goes in there, 10x times 2 is 20x over here. So just multiply each place by 30x and reduce, okay? Should be fine. 60 divided by 3, 20. Okay, 18 plus 5, 23, that's 18, this is 5. The x divided by 20, the point is going this way, 23 over 20, which the book says is 1.15. Okay, this will be important right here, because we're going to have to look and see if this sign is right. And oh, by the way, we can't ever let x be 0. X cannot be 0 because we would get division by 0. So also, if x ever gets negative, it would appear to me that it would make this whole side negative, and that's not going to be bigger than 2/3. So I think we're going to have to stay positive on this. And this is a pretty good answer. Now, the other thing you want to do, just for sanity's sake, is go to your calculator and get over here on y equals and do 3 divided by 5x. We better do divided by 5x that way. So otherwise it'll divide by 5, then it'll multiply by x, plus 1 divided by 6x. And I always want this to be bigger than 2/3. So then just go to the table and let's see what's going on right here. Oh, look, the reason that one says error is because you can't divide by 0. I mean, think about it. You can't divide by 0. And we know that once we get that these have got to be bigger than 2/3. Well, 2/3 is 0.666666. And look, once it goes to 2, we're not good. So let's go to table set and do 1.15, which is what we know the answer is. And notice at 1.15, we're exactly equal to this one. In this way, we're definitely bigger than 2/3 right there. We're at 5. And look at this one. Uh-oh. Now I'm not bigger than 2/3 anymore. And I'm not bigger than 2/3 there, and I'm not bigger than 2/3 there. All those negatives are never going to work. Because think about this. If this side is negative, it's not going to be greater than some positive number. So this was sort of a narrow, the answer was squeezed in between these two. You can read that on your calculator screen. That'll be enough on that one, and we'll return.